Hey everyone, welcome back. Ready for another deep dive.
Always ready to explore.
Well, today we're tackling a question that's, well, kind of haunted me since I was a kid. Are we alone? Like out there in the vast universe?
The big question, huh?
Yeah, exactly. And luckily, we've got some pretty amazing insights to work with.
Oh, yeah. What are we looking at?
This report, Texto Pagado, it dives into, well, everything from how scientists are looking for alien life to, like, what it would mean for us if we actually found it.
Okay, I'm intrigued. Lead the way.
All right, so first things first. When we talk about aliens, what are we even talking about? Little green men.
Huh. I wish it were that simple. Actually, the possibilities are way more diverse.
Diverse how? Give me some examples.
Think about it. Alien life could be anything, really. We could be talking about tiny microbes, clinging to like hydrothermal vents or strange plants, maybe bioluminescent ones on some distant moon.
Bioluminescent plants. That's pretty cool.
Right. Or we might find aquatic creatures swimming in oceans hidden under layers of ice on some moon, and yeah, maybe even advanced civilizations.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hold on. So you're saying, like, there could be other intelligent life out there?
It's definitely a possibility, and one that scientists are taking very seriously. That's where this whole field of astrobiology comes in.
Astro what now?
Astrobiology. It's basically the science of searching for life beyond Earth.
Makes sense.
They're looking for any kind of environment that could support life, even if it's not based on the same, carbon chemistry like us.
So, like, what? Silicon-based life forms? Like in Star Trek?
Exactly. Or maybe methane-based? Who knows? The point is, there could be all sorts of life out there that we can't even fathom yet.
All right, so then how do we even begin to search for it?
Well, there are a few different approaches. Texto Pagado highlights some pretty intriguing evidence we already have.
Oh, yeah. Like what?
Well, for starters, let's talk about Mars.
Okay, yeah. I was just thinking about that.
Right. Every time there's a new rover update, it's like front page news.
Exciting stuff.
Absolutely. And there's a good reason for it. Remember the Curiosity rover? Well, it detected these complex organic molecules, things called thiophenes, in Martian rocks.
Thiophenes? Never heard of those.
Well, on Earth, they're often a sign of, biological processes like life.
So could those molecules be signs of ancient Martian life?
It's definitely a possibility. Some scientists think so. Of course, they could also have come from, geological processes. The debate's still going strong.
I guess we need more evidence, huh?
Right. But it's pretty tantalizing, isn't it?
It really is. It makes you wonder, what else is out there or what was out there. But Mars is just one tiny part of the universe.
Exactly. We can't forget about exoplanets.
Exoplanets.
Yeah. Planets that orbit stars outside of our solar system. And we've already discovered thousands of them.
Thousands. Wow. Okay. That's a lot of planets.
Right. And many of them are in what we call the habitable zone.
Habitable zone. What's that?
It's that sweet spot around a star where, the conditions are just right for liquid water. Not too hot, not too cold.
So Goldilocks zone.
Yeah. And liquid water means, the potential for life as we know it, at least.
Okay. Now my mind is really blown. Like, each of those planets could have, like, its own unique ecosystem, maybe even intelligent life.
Now you're getting it. That's what's so exciting about this whole search.
Speaking of exciting, Texto Pagado also talks about UAPs, right? Are we talking alien visitors?
Ooh, UAPs, unidentified aerial phenomena.
Yeah. Is that what we're calling UFOs these days?
Well, it's a bit more official, I guess, but yeah, pretty much.
So are they aliens?
Honestly. Most of them probably have natural explanations, weather phenomena, things like that. Or maybe even human-made stuff we just haven't identified yet.
Okay, so probably not aliens.
Probably not, but there are a few that really defy easy explanation.
And those are the ones that keep us all guessing, right?
Exactly. The mystery is part of the fun.
Okay, so UAPs, maybe not aliens, but what about those signals from space? Like, are those aliens trying to, phone home?
Good question. That's where SETI comes in.
SETI, like searching for extraterrestrial intelligence?
That's the one. They're basically using these massive radio telescopes to listen for any signals that stand out from, all of the usual cosmic noise.
So like weird patterns or something?
Yeah. Patterns that look like, like they could be artificial, like a message from another civilization.
Have they found anything?
They've definitely picked up some intriguing signals over the years, but so far everything's been traced back to natural phenomena.
Bummer.
I know. But hey, the search continues.
That's the spirit. Okay, so let's break it down. What are the main ways scientists are looking for ET?
Texto Pagado outlines three main strategies. First, you've got SETI, listening for those radio signals.
Right, like we just talked about.
Yep. Then there's sending rovers and probes to, explore planets and moons in our solar system.
Like those Mars rovers?
Exactly. But there are also missions to the icy moons of Jupiter and Saturn. Some of those have vast oceans hidden under the ice. Who knows what's down there?
Oh, that's creepy but cool.
Right. And the third strategy is using space telescopes like the James Webb.
The James Webb Telescope, that's like the biggest and best one we have, right?
Exactly. And it can analyze the atmospheres of distant planets, looking for specific combinations of gases that could indicate life.
Gases like what?
Oh, things like oxygen, methane, things that living organisms produce.
So like sniffing out life from light years away.
Pretty much. Pretty amazing, right?
Absolutely. All right, last question. Why are we even doing all of this? Why is it so important to find alien life?
Well, for one, the scientific implications are huge. Like, imagine what we could learn about biology, physics, even the origins of the universe if we studied alien life.
Yeah, that would definitely rewrite the textbooks.
It would be revolutionary. Plus, it would change our whole perspective on, our place in the universe.
Knowing we're not alone, that would be mind-blowing.
Right. And who knows what kind of technological advancements we could make. If we found a civilization more advanced than us, maybe they could help us solve some of our problems here on Earth.
Climate change, maybe.
Yeah.
Or, like, world hunger.
Potentially. It's a lot to think about.
It really is. So what's, like, the biggest takeaway for you from all this?
Honestly, the sheer scale of the search just blows my mind. We're talking about vast distances, countless possibilities. It's incredible that we're even trying to do this.
I agree. So before we go, got a thought-provoking question for our listeners.
Oh, I always do. If we did discover alien life, what do you think the biggest impact would be? On science, on society, or even, our beliefs?
Deep stuff. Thanks for joining us, everyone.
Until next time.